In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export backlog or issues and tickets to Excel in Jira. Whether you're a part of a software, IT, or business team, managing and exporting your Jira issues can be an essential part of organizing your workflow. Let's walk through this straightforward process together. First things first, you need to navigate to a web browser and head over to the Atlassian website. This website is the hub for all things Jira, providing collaboration tools that cater to software, IT, and business teams. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the homepage. It's well organized, making it relatively easy to find your way around. Once you've landed on the Atlassian website, it's time to sign in. Look for the Sign In button, which is typically located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will direct you to the login page where you must enter your credentials. This is a crucial step because accessing your projects in Jira requires a valid user account. So go ahead and enter your email and password and click on Sign In. If it's your first time or you've forgotten your credentials, you might want to reset your password or reach out to your IT support for assistance. Now that you're logged in, head over to the Jira homepage. This is essentially your command center within the Atlassian environment. Here, you'll see an overview of your active projects, notifications, and recent activity. Take a moment to navigate around and see what's new. It's always helpful to stay up to date with your team's progress. Next, visit the Projects section. This area is the core of what you'll be working with in Jira, where all your project-specific issues, bugs, and tasks reside. The Projects page is organized in such a way that you can easily locate the project you're interested in, so scan through the list and identify the one you need. Once you've found your target project, you'll want to delve into its details. Now, it's time to focus on the backlog. The backlog is where you'll find all the unprioritized tasks and issues that need your attention. To access this, navigate within your project to locate the backlog section. Typically, there's a clear option or tab labeled Backlog. Click on it, and a list of all backlog items will be displayed. At this point, you are ready to export your backlog to Excel. Look for the Export option, which is often represented by an icon or labeled as such. Jira should offer different export formats, but you'll want to select the Excel option. Once you've done this, Jira will process your request and download a file directly to your computer. Open this file with Excel and you'll be able to view and manipulate your data as necessary. There you have it, a streamlined way to export your Jira backlog to Excel. This process is not only efficient, but also helps in keeping your project data organized and accessible. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful to you.